Hello and welcome to Challenge Channel. Hello and welcome to Challenge Channel. This is gonna be the first lecture in pharmacology mnemonics. We will start with the cardiovascular system and we're gonna start with drugs that use in treatment of hypertension. The first mnemonic is for drugs that use in treatment of hypertension. Our mnemonics is A, B, C and D. Well, A stands for ACE inhibitors and angiotensin receptor blockers. B stands for beta blocker. C stands for calcium channel blocker. And D stands for diuretics. The second mnemonic is for antihypertensive drugs that are contraindicated in pregnancy. Our mnemonics is Dr. San. Okay. D stands for diuretics. R stands for reserpine. S stands for sodium nitroprusside. A stands for angiotensin 1 antagonist. The second A stands for ACE inhibitors. N stands for non-selective beta blocker. The third mnemonic is for drugs that can be used in pregnancy. Our mnemonic is 3 C's. So, the first C stands for calcium channel blocker. The second C stands for cardioselective beta blocker. I'm gonna show you the mnemonic of these drugs in the next slide. The third C stands for central sympatholytic, which is clonidine. Also, I'm gonna mention centrally acting antihypertensive later on. The mnemonic for cardioselective beta blockers is baby man. But before we start to explain these mnemonics, what do we mean by cardioselective beta blocker? Okay, we mean by cardioselective beta blocker drugs that act on beta 1 receptors that found in the heart. As we know, there is two important types of beta receptor, which are beta 1 and beta 2 receptors. Beta 1 receptor found in the heart and beta 2 receptor found in the lung. So, how to remember the location of these receptors? Well, as we know, we have only one heart and two lungs. So, beta 1 receptors found in the heart because we have one heart, and beta 2 receptor found in the lungs because we have two lungs. Okay, let's go back to our mnemonics, which is baby man. So, B stands for bisoprolol, A stands for acebutolol, B stands for betoxolol, E stands for esmolol, M stands for metoprolol, A stands for atenolol, and N stands for nebivolol. The next mnemonics is about centrally acting antihypertensive drugs. Our mnemonic is MRCG. Okay? M stands for methyl-DOPA, R stands for reserpine, C stands for clonidine, and G stands for guanfacine. And that's it for today's mnemonic. In the next video, we're gonna see the rest of antihypertensive drugs mnemonic. You can download our book in pharmacology mnemonics by clicking on the link in the description below. This book will give you lots of mnemonics in pharmacology. Don't worry about pharmacology anymore. This book will help you to learn pharmacology in more easy and funny way. And that's it for today's lesson. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel in order to get more and more free videos on the time of production.